Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can try to fix Bluetooth issues or Bluetooth connection issues on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you have some issues with your Bluetooth device, the first thing that you can do is simply turn off and on Bluetooth. You can go to the quick access and then tap on the Bluetooth button in order to turn it off and on. You can also go to the settings, then choose connected devices. Now go to connection preferences and finally go to Bluetooth. And over here we have use Bluetooth option. Make sure that this is enabled, and if it is enabled already, then turn it off and on one more time in order to make sure that we reset the Bluetooth. Now once we have that, we can try to connect our Bluetooth device. Of course, remember that you most of the time need to enable the pairing mode before it is detected. So right now, if I go pair new device without enabling the pairing mode on my earbuds, then the device will not be detected by Motorola. So I need to enable my pairing mode on earbuds before it is possible to detect them by my smartphone. So keep that in mind, because sometimes even I forget about this. And if it's not detected after entering the pairing mode, simply go back and try to pair a new device one more time. Give it a couple of seconds before you decide to proceed with the further steps. Now in my case, of course, my device is already detected, but if it's not working in your case, then you can simply also go back to the settings and then scroll down to system. And then in the system, we want to go to reset options, and then in the reset options, go to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi over here. And then you can confirm that you want to reset. So then every setting related to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will be reset, and you can try to set up the Bluetooth device one more time. If that doesn't help, then another thing that you can do is try to hard reset your Bluetooth device. Now, of course, how to do that depends on the type of Bluetooth device that you have, because it is different for pretty much every Bluetooth device. And if that doesn't help either, then the last thing that you can try to do is perform the hard reset of your whole smartphone. Now, of course, this is pretty much the last step that you should do. So once again, in the reset options at the bottom, we have erase all data. Now keep in mind that if you choose that option, then you will lose everything that you have on your smartphone, every app and every setting, etc., your files that are stored on the smartphone. So keep that in mind and make a backup. And like I said, this should be the last thing that you should do. If nothing else works, then you can give this one a try. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.